Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to be making some homemade chili. This recipe is very similar to the chili I used to make at my restaurant, which is also in my cookbook, Recipes from a Successful Burger Restaurant. But this one is a little shorter. So these are the turkey sausages that I will be using in the recipe. Also 1 stalk of celery, some onions, that's a half onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 can tomato sauce, cocoa powder, Ro Tel's diced tomatoes, and green chilies. I will be using some prepared mustard, also some apple cider vinegar, along with some other spices, and I will let you know what they are and how much of each one of these items I will be using. I'm making this chili in the Instant Pot. Already have it on saute, so let's get started. I'm gonna add the onions to the pot, celery, turkey, Italian sausage, I'm just taking it out of the casing right now. I had already added like 3 tablespoons of avocado oil to the bottom of the pan. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cumin, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Now I will probably add a little more chili and a little bit more cumin as everything cooked down. So I'll keep you on track. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of basil and 1 teaspoon of thyme. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of coriander. Coriander is just like cilantro. Even though I'm putting regular garlic in there, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic, tablespoon of onion powder. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of paprika, one tablespoon of vinegar. I'm adding the 1 can of Ro Tel diced tomatoes and green chilies. This is 10 ounces to the pot. I'm going to add a half a cup of coffee. This is coffee that I brewed this morning. And a half a teaspoon of cocoa. This is just cocoa powder. And that is 1 can of tomato sauce. That is 8 ounces. And let me mix this up. I'm adding some garlic, chopped up garlic. I like my chili kind of thick, not really thick, but kind of like what you see there. And what I'm going to do is add some salt. And we're going to taste it to see if we need any more salt. That's why I want you to get used to tasting your food so that you can salt your food the way you like to salt your food. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt in here. I'm going to give it a taste a little bit later, see if that's enough. It smells so good in here. It smells like chili. Taste it. Very good. It's lacking a little prepared mustard, which I'm going to do just a half a tablespoon. And I'm also going to add a little stevia to it. 1/4 of a pack, so I want a lot of sugar. It's in there. Smells good, looks good. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oregano. I'm just crumbling it up. This is Mexican oregano. Now, if you don't like your chili spicy, don't add this. I'm gonna do a pinch of chili. Really is about a little more than a pinch, I would say. When I place it in the bowl, I'm going to add some cheddar cheese on the top of it. And might even add some more onions on the top. But we will see. I think it needs a little more paprika. So I'm going to add 1 more. I have to get that red color. Just add 1 more teaspoon of cumin. 1 teaspoon of cumin. Add some black pepper. Just a half teaspoon of black pepper. this chili. Now, I don't like beans in my chili. Sometimes I add them, but since I'm trying to keep this keto, I'm not going to add any beans to it, but you can at this point. This is when you want to add your beans, but drain your beans. Don't add all that sugar and starch to your beans. Drain them, rinse them, and drain them before you put them in the pot to get rid of some of that starch. This really is like a low-carb chili here that anyone can eat if they're diabetic or keto diet or not on a keto diet. It will save you some carbs, and it is sugar-free, so something you can really enjoy without guilt. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.